Hello everyone. In this video, we will understand the childhood and social context of the child development. The childhood is a critical period of the human life from the birth to the adolescence. In the childhood, the child will undergo physical growth, social growth and cognitive growth. And what is the social context? These are nothing but the environmental factors which will influence the development of the child. For example, his family, his friends, his society, the community, and the nature around him, everything. The why it is important for a child to have the social development from 0 to 6 years? It will help the child to attach with the people. It will make the child to develop the sense of creating the relationships. And the second one, it develops the emotional sense in the child. And the third one, it will develop social skills like sharing, communicating with the others, everything. And the last one is cognitive development like creativity, to learn something, problem solving, everything. And there are few milestones that the child should achieve in the developmental stage. They are considered as the milestones. For example, from 0 to 1 year, the child should respond to the familiar faces, and when they see them, he should laugh, he should smile. From 1 to 2 years, the child will start moving his body so that he should show interest in playing, show interest in the children who are of same age. When we take them to a park or if any of the relatives comes to our home, they should show interest to play with the children. This is nothing but peer connection. They are able to make the connections now. When it comes to 2 to 3 years, now they are well aware of their toys, their things and all. So the child should be ready to share his toys or else take turns while playing with the toys, and he should be cooperative with each other. For example, if his siblings are there or cousins are there or friends are there, he should be cooperating with them, he should share his toys with them, and he should be ready to take turn while playing with all the children. And when it comes to 3 to 4 years, when they join in the school, now the child have to make good friendships in the classroom or in the school. And also 3 to 4 years of age, they should be well aware of communicating verbally. He should speak the words which other children are using, or the teacher, whatever the teacher is telling, the child should be repeating with proper pronunciation and all. If not, we have to identify where the child is facing the problem when it comes to his verbal communication or speaking. And the next one is 5 to 6 years. Now the child is in grade 1 or grade 2 or upper kindergarten. So the child should be ready to play in groups. He should be ready to show the emotions. He should develop the feelings. He should develop the empathy. For example, a child of 6 years who is my student, when she started watching Lion King along with his father, and she started crying because of when the Simba dies, the child will start crying. So this is nothing but the child is developing empathy, and it is a good sign that the child's cognitive skills are developing, emotional skills are developing. She's able to think, she's able to respond, whatever she's seeing or watching, she's processing in her brain, and she's having a good sense of developing the feelings and all for the things happening around her. So these are all the things a child should develop. The child should achieve all these milestones properly. And whenever there is something wrong, they are called as the red flags. And what are these red flags actually? When it comes to 0 to 1 year, when we snap the fingers in front of a small baby, the baby will automatically respond, right? But what if the baby is not responding? She's not, or he is not giving the eye contact. This lack of eye contact or the lack of smiling is one of the red flag in 0 to 1 year of age. When it comes to 2 to 3 years of age, we already said that the child should be ready to share the toys and all. If they're not ready to share the toys, if they're not ready to take the turns while playing, playing. That means it is a red flag again. When it comes to 2 to 6 years, the child should be ready to have the group play. So sportive spirit should be there, but sometimes the children will show aggressive behavior. They'll throw the things. If they want to give something to others, they doesn't like it and they'll start throwing the things. So this is an aggressive behavior, and there are so many things which a child do when which comes under the aggressive behavior. And the next one, uh, if a child is watching something or if the friend is crying, immediately other children also will cry. If that sense is not there, that emotional connection is not happening to the child with others, that is even a red flag. And the last one is, they'll not feel comfortable to talk with everyone in the classroom. They'll not feel comfortable to play with the cousins when we attend a party, or when there is a community event, he'll not be ready to take a part in that. So this is also a red flag. It is called as the lack of social behavior. So this lack of social behavior, lack of emotional intelligence, and the aggressive nature, these are all the red flags when in the age of 2 to 6 years. When it comes to 0 to 1 year, lack of eye contact and smiling. 2 to 3 years, it is nothing but not ready to share the things, not ready to take turns while playing. All this comes under the red flags. And next, what are the factors that influence the child's behavior? Number one is family dynamics. What kind of a family the child is in, what kind of a parenting he is going through, what kind of societal norms he is listening in his family. These all will play a very important role in the child development. Next comes the socio-economic status, the social status of the family, the economic status of the family, which is ultimately resulting in the nutrition, resources and healthcare. So obviously it will affect the child development. The first one is family dynamics, the second one is socio-economic status, the third one is cultural background. What is the culture, and is the child listening to any superstitions in their culture, or there are any things like uh, the child is someone is guiding the child not to do, but they're not telling him why. So if he is into such kind of a culture, or is he having such kind of a culture background in his family, then the child will be definitely, it will be affecting the child's growth. Next one is peer relationship. What kind of a friends a child is having? The children are the best imitators. So if you have a good friend, you will have a good behavior. If he doesn't have a good friend, obviously you will not have a good behavior. This is nothing but the peer relationship. And the fifth one is school environment. When we are choosing a school, we should choose the school very wisely, because school is the second home. Children will learn a lot from the school: how to talk, how to smile, how to walk, how to eat, how to respond to others. And the role of a teacher also plays a very important role in the child development. So there are 5 factors which affect the child ultimately in his development. First one is family dynamics, second one is socio-economic status, the third one is cultural backdrop, and the fourth one is school environment, and the fifth one is peer relationships. So this is about the child growth, social context, why we need social context, why it is important, and what are the milestones that a child need to achieve, what are the red flags in the child development, and the last one, what are the factors that affect the child growth and child development. So hope you have understood this content from the video. If you like it, please do like and subscribe. Thank you.